I think a lot of folks think of the sunk cost fallacy of their company or their startup, which is we've already made this investment, but we have to think about what we're going to do next, regardless of what we've already spent on developing that website or that app that nobody actually wants. But I don't think people think about it for themselves. And you do have a sunk cost fallacy yourself, your time and your energy and your effort. But just because you've invested, it doesn't mean that's where you have to go. You can reinvent yourself. And where will you want to, how do you want to reinvent yourself, Becca?
Me, so I want to be more open and do more stuff like this. I want to get into product management and be more of like sort of somebody that talks in front of people and is liaising between different departments and is an open and honest person, and more chilled out, more relaxed. It was quite stuffy in the legal profession, and this is part of me doing that. It was great advice, and I'm trying to follow it. So
I think it's fantastic. And I think the best part of it, of course, is that it wasn't just something you sewed into a throw blanket or a pillow and put on your couch, but that you are out here living it right now in front of everybody. So
oh, you're
I hope
kidding! I've
that
got a tattoo of it on my back.
this is a family show, Becca. Okay, hold on a second. This is careful here. No, that's awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. That is so cool.
Thank you.